Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold today. See what's happening in the market. Let me share my screen with you. Let's start with the Forex Factory for the 9th of August 2023 and see what is happening in the market. And you can see there's not much news for the dollar. The only news we have, only news we have this one at 6:01 p.m. That's medium pack. The rest of the day, we only NZD that's already passed 4 a.m. CNY we don't, it's already passed. So we're not interested normally in these. We're normally interested in USD news, some European or Canadian currencies as well. Especially in USD currency, we're normally interested because that's heavily affect on the gold. Right, and now going to the gold charts, see what is happening with the gold. As you can see, the gold, right, it's a 2-hour chart, and gold had a double top and came down straight. And this, so the channel was moving in the channel. This channel was broken, and it kind of retested this channel here. It's after breaking it, and then we've seen reversal from here. And this level was broken, and this level was broken as well. So at this level, it was a very good sell trade. And now making another channel there. The channel does not, in fact, there's two channels. The channel, this channel, and this channel within the channel. So we are within this channel, this side on the top side of the channel, and as you can see, this level has been broken and it has been retested here, this level. Now I expect tomorrow the prices to come down at least to this smaller channel, first of all, and then probably it after consolidating or maybe go back, and it's possible that it can come down to the 1900 level roughly. Obviously there'll be a retest, hopefully. Normally there's a retest, but bear in mind that all the retests are not perfect. Sometimes it's just smaller wick you can see, which looks like a test. So all the retests are not perfect. However, retest most of the time, market do retest. And let's see, further explore it basically now, because as I said, this level was important. And now market is nearly there. We can take a sell trade with small risk, stop loss in 1936, or even if you further go to the upsides, 1938. The market to be bullish, to become a bullish market, has to break this level, 1946 level. Then it will become bullish. At the moment, 1922, and we've got 1932. This 100 pip gap. So with this 100 pip range, that's where the market is, within this 100 pip range. And if once this range is broken, I'm expecting 1934 level, this level, and eventually 1900 level. The level I was has been drawn before. You can see it. Reverse the video and you can see back if you want more help with the levels. And these are different levels to the downside. However, we don't just look the downside. We look both sides of the market. So this is a level. So suppose the market goes to the upside, we have different levels here as well. So we'll take buy trades. However, market, as I said, this is a channel here, so we're expecting that, and it's a bearish scenario. Hence, we expect the market to come down. We'll look for the sell trades. More better to look for sell trades, and with good probability because the trend is to the downside. You can see there's. Let me take these levels up. On weekly, it's a bearish. Clearly can be seen this. These candles and also the market should come up to this level and then these levels respectively for the downside. And to the upside, I've shown you in the smaller time frame the levels. So these are the levels market should respect. So hopefully that helps. And you have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.